So Kunying Pochaman is now scot-free. She's not going to have to face any major charges because the Attorney General has decided not to appeal
to the Supreme Court.
Yeah, on her tax issue.
Yes, the case apparently is dead in the water now. Absolutely no chance to take it to the Supreme Court.
Why so?
And because the Attorney General Office is the last line of defense.
Yeah.
When it decided not to pursue the case, and nobody else can do that. Even the National Counter-Corruption Commission today, which did the case along with the Attorney General Office, it had a meeting today and to see whether there is any chance, any room of taking the case by itself to the Supreme Court. And the Commission has come out to say that, sorry, we cannot do anything.
But there's an argument that if the court of first instance rule one way and the appeals court rules another way,
yes,
it should be finally decided by the Supreme Court.
Yes, the thing is we are talking about what should be done and what shouldn't be done, but the Attorney General Office is talking about what it can do. And
what are the reasons given by
the press conference yesterday? Said that the Office of Attorney General said it agreed with the appeals court, which said that Kun Ying, there is no evidence that Kun Ying Pochaman and her secretary Kun Kanchana conspired to commit a tax fraud. So there was no evidence on that. So there's no reason why the case should be taken to the Supreme Court. And concerning Kun Banapot, the Attorney General Office also said it agreed with the appeals court that said Kun Banapot suspended jail term is appropriate. They have no need to just jail him right away because he has been given a suspended jail term. That is okay with the Attorney General Office. So there's two main reasons. And the other reason being that this is very important. The Attorney General Office sanctioned the appeals court statement that the use of nominees to give the shares to other people is very common in the stock market. So everyone was doing it. So it's okay for Kun Pochaman and anybody else to do it.
So it's legally okay to have nominees.
It's legally may not be okay, but it's a
common practice.
It's a common practice, yes.
Okay, so it will become a political case for the opposition party to take up now.
Yes, the only thing for the case to drag on a little bit more is up to the Democrat Party, which today has threatened to impeach the Attorney General.
Okay.
Singh, on the ground that he had not performed his duty properly. The deputy spokesman of the party said that Kun Singh can now dress up himself for an impeachment process immediately. But Kun Abhisit, the Democrat leader, he didn't say, he didn't make a quite obvious threat to Kun Singh. He just said that it's very sorry that the thing has to end this way, and it's up to the Attorney General Office to explain it more to the public. And then his legal team will consider what it can do and whether impeachment is possible or not.
So for the common people, there will be a lot of legalistic, constitutional issues, right or wrong business, all sorts of questions are now being raised because, things that the common people used to think that it is 100% right may now not be the case. And the debate on the legality of the coup and also all the cases related to Thaksin, the family, and the rest will continue to be a hot issue because the legal points may not be in line with the political opinion. You see what I mean?
Yes.
People look at it politically, expecting the legal decisions to be made along the same way, but that's apparently it's not the case anymore.
It's like we take it back to a few years ago. This is what when the people think that something is right and
Yeah.
something is wrong. It used to be a few years ago when
Yeah.
we took this kind of stand that okay, if everyone was doing it, it should be okay.
So now we all should start to be resigned to the fact that a lot of things are not what it seems to be or what we think they should be. That's why the lesson, the moral for us is that never, never say never.